My beloved child, slow down for a moment and listen carefully. This message reached you for a reason. You have been carrying too much in silence. The pressure, the anxiety, the nights where you smiled in front of people while secretly feeling exhausted inside. I saw every moment. I saw the tears you hid from everyone else. I heard the prayers you whispered when nobody was around. And today, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not forgotten. Even during the seasons where life felt unfair, I was still beside you. Even when doors closed, even when people walked away, even when you questioned your own worth, my love for you never changed. My child, you have been asking me, Lord, when will things finally get better? Listen carefully now. The season you are in will not last forever. I am already working behind the scenes in ways you cannot yet see. What feels delayed is not destroyed. What feels broken can still be restored. Do not let fear convince you that your story is over. I am bringing peace back into your heart. I am removing confusion from your mind. And I am preparing a new beginning for your life. Some of the pain you experienced was never meant to destroy you. It was preparing you. You became stronger through the battles you survived. You learned how to keep going even when life became heavy. And I am proud of you for not giving up. My child, stop being so cruel to yourself. You keep replaying mistakes from the past. You keep thinking you were not good enough. But hear me clearly. Your failures do not cancel my purpose for your life. You are still loved. You are still chosen. And your future is still filled with hope. There are blessings coming that you cannot imagine yet. Doors will open unexpectedly. Peace will return slowly. And the weight you have been carrying will not stay forever. But I need you to trust me during this process. Do not lose faith because the answer has not arrived yet. A seed grows underground before anyone can see it. And in the same way, I have been working quietly in your life. My beloved child, forgive those who hurt you, not because they deserved it, but because your heart deserves peace. Do not allow bitterness to control your future. Give me your pain. Give me your worries. You were never meant to carry everything alone. I am still guiding you. I am still protecting you. And I will not abandon you now. Very soon, you will look back at this difficult season and realize I was carrying you the entire time. So tonight, rest your mind. Breathe again. Hope again. Because better days are still ahead of you. If this message touched your heart, type Amen below. And subscribe for more daily messages of hope, faith, and encouragement. Remember this before you leave. You are deeply loved, and you are never alone.